In a world untouched by modernity, a community thrives under the shadow of ancient trees and beside the gentle flow of a river. Here, men and women dressed in garments crafted from animal hides and woven grasses gather around a fire, sharing tales of their ancestors and the mysteries of the universe. As the sun begins to set, casting golden hues across the landscape, the elders pass down their rich traditions, teaching the youth the importance of community and resilience. Meanwhile, life pulses around them. Children learn the crafts of their forebears, ensuring that the flame of civilization continues to burn brightly. In the heart of the settlement, a lively marketplace emerges, showcasing the creative talents of the community as artisans proudly present their finest goods. Nearby, a powerful ritual unfolds as villagers come together in reverence, celebrating the connection between their people and the natural world, their ancient customs breathing life into the dawn of civilization. Then, without warning, the earth shudders beneath their feet, sending ripples of uncertainty through the gathered crowd. As the villagers gaze upward in confusion, a strange and radiant artifact emerges from the soil, its warm glow captivating the hearts and minds of all who bear witness, igniting whispers of magic and destiny. With tentative hands, a villager reaches out to touch the enigmatic object, uncovering elaborate carvings that tell stories long forgotten. Around them, the community unites in fascination, their collective imagination ignited as they ponder the artifact's origins and its possible role in shaping their future. The village elder steps forward, his presence commanding as he raises his arms toward the glowing wonder, ready to impart the wisdom of ages past. Eyes filled with wonder and anticipation, the villagers listen intently, eager to uncover the stories and prophecies that surround this mysterious artifact and what it may herald for their future.